YouTube, your girl Marcy to be here, and yes, I am known for being the queen of crochet. I've also created some fairly innovative lace crochet wig caps and made wigs with those. I'll be making a wig today, but I am stepping completely and totally outside my comfort zone because today's wig will be created using Superline's 360 closed cap closure. So just like with all Superline products, their 360 closed cap closure comes in exquisite packaging. You can see here on the box that this is 100% human hair virgin Remy. The color is natural, it's unprocessed, and you can dye this hair, iron curl it, rod perm it, or flat iron it. Now, I have never worked with human hair before, but the fact that this 360 lace closure is on a closed cap should actually make it a lot easier to create this wig than some of the lace crochet wigs that I've created. All I'm really gonna need to do is lay my tracks and do some customization. So here I am unboxing the Superline 360 closed cap closure. Gonna take a look and see how it's constructed. It is very well packaged, and it has lace in the front as well as in the back, in addition to an adjustable strap. And the lace is a nice color, so I probably will not have to worry about bleaching the knots. So to create this unit, I will be using my canvas wig head. Here I am putting it on, smoothing it down, and checking the hairline. Looks like that's gonna need a little work. Smoothing out the back, and to hold it in place on the wig head, I'm adding 2 T-pins at the top and 2 in the back. So the next thing I did was attempt to make the hairline in the front look a little more natural. Sprayed a little water on the closer to be able to pull out some strands more easily. Trying to create some baby hairs, and here I am trimming and thinning those out. I also tweezed the hairline in the front to remove some of the fullness. Honestly, this was not as easy as it looks on YouTube videos, and I'm probably gonna need some more practice in perfecting getting these baby hairs to look a little more natural. I am ready to lay my tracks now using Superline's Virgin 100% human hair. As you can see, I opted for the hot glue gun method. Instead of sewing the tracks onto the cap, I used the fold over method at the end. I didn't cut any of the wefts. Here's what the completed unit looks like. Tried it on. It actually fits really well. Nice and secure. Don't even think I'm gonna have to add any combs. So the only thing left now was to trim the lace, which I did off camera. Try to work on those baby hairs again. Add a few curls with my curling iron and finish styling my unit. YouTube, that will will do it for this video featuring Superline's 360 closed cap closure DIY unit. Questions, comments, please post those below and I will get right back at you. Thank you so very much for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm up out of here right now, YouTube, but you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.